Welcome to Sir Banks Gold Town. I'm currently in a dream car right now. It's a 2018 Ford Mustang Ruby Red Black Edition. It hasn't run for a while, year plus, due to engine malfunction problems. I did not do any modifications at all. And my birthday is February 12th. I'm turning 32 years old. And it will cost around $10,000 to have the car run again. I wanted to have sponsorships on the car, similar to a NASCAR setup, potentially, or different way of doing it. But I definitely want to have it to run again, to be enjoyed again, and able to take it to church camps and to church again, and able to really express the interests of the world on the Mustang. It reminds me of my grandmother, stories that she told me. It reminds me of the time when I had all my friends in the Mustang will cram in here and around. And I kept everything original. I had the original, carpet, the original dash gauge. I'll show you. So this is the original. And so basically I want this car to run again. And maybe I have some sponsorships. If y'all want to donate money to this channel, it means the world to me to have this car run again. Even if it's a V8 or whatever. Or make it into a racing car. Or I want to have it in parades and stuff like that. Thank y'all for supporting the YouTube channel. Thank y'all.